What are the needs of vegan diet? Who is a vegan? Have you ever thought about it? A vegan is a person who doesn't eat animal products. He doesn't make any use of animal product for his or her clothing, shelter, pleasure or entertainment. He or she doesn't consume milk and milk products because these are animal products, as well as honey for gratifying his taste bud or filling his stomach. To take somebody else digested food is not just because animals have digested that food for themselves and we kill animals and forcefully take their flesh into our body. That is not justice. You have to digest your own food. How and why other animals should digest your food? If somebody kills you and take your flesh, then what you will tell? Like that. And paneer, curd, ghee, kulfi, all products, dairy products should not be consumed because drinking milk and eating beef are similar thing. Do you know India is the second exporter of meat to the world, as well as milk? These two go together because first of all we use the cow for milk, then when it is unable to give milk we send it to slaughterhouse, then it become flesh or we eat beef. Hence very much cautious about your eating habit, because what we eat we become. That means what we have ate in the past, that we are, our body and mind. So in order to keep your mind alert, sensitive and in its true potential, you must go vegan, and in order to stay healthy too, contemplate upon this and go vegan from now onwards.